Sanibonani and welcome to my YouTube channel. So Gabriel had a fight with Ubonga and decided to go to Katavet and tell Felicia ukuthi sibhakele for the face. Ubonga's like, hayi bo, kwazi kwabana nokulima phakathi wegebhu. Usuke la usuke khona uzoceba kuma wami. What kind? Also Gabriel, I'm not here for cebing mfana. Ngize la ngizokufundisa isifundo. Ngifuna ukukushaya right in front of your mother. Ubone ukuthi ubani ubabakho. Hayibo. Sibhakele futhi. Champion League. Sibhakele to the face. Aus, I don't know. Felicia was calling on Aus to come and resolve this. Uzowakhona kanjani u-Aus amadoda amabili? Uzowakhona kanjani amadoda amabili? Uma Ishmael is still busy njena. Awangomsindo Ishmael read the paper and he was not pleased at all. Kodwa Bishop uthi yena ilakhe lithi Ishmael should forgive uNokuthula because she's just a mad. Ishmael will say, how do I forgive someone who abandoned me when I was a baby? And Bengana Sono, I didn't know anything. I didn't know how to fend for myself. Now she's coming back, and I mean, when I look at her coming back here, she's just trying to cause the chaos in Jena and immensely cool that I do not want to entertain. And I don't know this person. Also, about Bishop Kodwa, this person is your mother. And each and everything that you do, you decide and all that, just remember that this person is your mother. And you need to find a way in your heart to forgive her. Kanjani manje? Mpumi is very excited again to say, hi Kahlophe, but send a shame, they're all over the newspaper that Ishmael bought a car for Bishop. How did this Bishop manage to get him from Umaruna all this long and get him imoto from Ishmael? This pastor is something using umuthi. Mpumi yena, you will never know with these people. All I know is that they're gangsters nje. Gangsters. Gangsters, because even the gospel industry now, when you look at it here, you'll never know what the people have to sacrifice to get to the point where they are in their lives. So when it's like, Tanamo, khuluma ngathi ubona okukhulu nje. Uthi, hayi ngcono ngoba wena vele umane udibhalela music. You're not somewhere there. Sanibona. Mpumi is looking at uWendy kabuhlungu kabi. Kodwa Wendy, I feel like somewhere there kule conversation yaMpumi, something just said, but she didn't want to pay attention to that one because her eyes said that, okay, I saw that. But Mpumi carried on and explained, because you have to sacrifice something to get to that point. There's no way Ishmael didn't sacrifice anything. The people up there, they're bloodsuckers. Uthi kanjani? I just thank God ukuthi wena you don't have to do all those things. Umpuma akasaminti, guys. She doesn't have to do all those things. What did she do manje nomzi wakhe just to stay on top? What did she do manje nomzi wakhe just to stay on top for our empire? Empire lena still ayineligama lakhe. Nompumelelo Sidibeng is nowhere near amaphepha and revolutions, but she had to do that just to stay there. Felix is upset with the whole thing that occurred between Gabriel and Ubonkosi, and she was like, there's no way in heaven and in hell you're gonna take my ring uyinikezele mntana waka Wendy Sidibeng. Uyangizwa? Iring emuzi wami, you're not getting it and uyinikeze uMaruna. There's no way. Angathi ukuthi mhlanya what kind, kodwa like that level of craziness angiyifunda. You need to find a way to solve this whole thing, or else layering is a no. Remember, I said that the other day that Felicia said to Bongo, I'm gonna keep this ring for you until you find the right woman for yourself. And I asked if Felicia doesn't see Umaruna as someone who's fit to be a Mrs. Tabet. And I answer. She's saying it right in front of us. I don't want Umaruna to be Umakodwam. So no matter what happens between you two, there's no way Umaruna is gonna get that ring. So what does Ubongo have to do now? To find someone else just to please Felicia? What if Ubongo never stopped loving Umaruna? Or if they are meant to be, but because Ubongo is trying to please Umawake, it's not happening between them. Because why would someone always come whose ex is still coming? Question. who has an ex who still comes when you call them to say, hey, Yaputuma, and he's gonna drive and leave everything and come to rescue you or to help you or kajan kajan. Okay, guys, so if a comment section, okay. Pum was very, very furious with Gabrielle. She went to ask him, is it true? Was it true? What was it true? Because Umzwake wanted Umaruna in the first place. Hey, Gabrielle was manje when we didn't think that you should tell me before I went there was your season. I say umpumena at least the week at the deals no deals umpuma aibo. Kanjan manje. Oh, Gabriel is not telling Umpum everything because Umzwaka still wants Umaruna. And I wonder what Umpum will say if she finds out that Umzwaka still wants Umaruna. Yeah, she was just like a pass by. Yeah, she's just like, nasiswako loya kodwa. Umaruna was one person that I wanted and the one and only. I didn't want them both too. I just wanted Umaruna. And Gabriel offered me Umpumi. But still, I wonder if she's going to tell Umaruna to go and do it. Nah, because Umaruna asked ukuthi, hey, did you do it? And Umpuma was like, ungijwayele. Kwaba ikhesi yonke before she could give the right answer to Umaruna. Umaruna asked ukuthi, did you do it, Mpumi? Umpuma was like, out, waphuma vele. Now, because they didn't get the deal, what's going to happen? Because Umzaka still stands to say that I want Umaruna. And how far will Umpumi go to make sure that Yena, she is not poor again? Mom Tabete decided to call abantu abadala to come and sit Ubongo phansi and talk to him. I understand Ubongo was like, abantu abadala bathi hey wena usubingelela kanje uthi ngiyaxolisa. Sat down and uFelicia was like, okay mncane, I called you here to tell you ukuthi uBongo hayi mina ngisazi awusazi. The day you guys were supposed to go and marry and lobola owethu for Ubongo went to see Umaruna. He was with Umaruna that day. Abantu abadala they were shocked to hear it. Hayi Ubongozi. When every day you call us here to go and pay my heart for you, yonke le nto uphinda ayigcina ngoMaruna. What? Mark took out a video, see footage was there, like footage of mhlawumbe showing Ubongo and Umaruna holding each other or something. Ubongo was trying to explain, but now, no, there's no explanation. Also, ubaba omncane angeke sizilethe sikekele wena so that you can sign a company nekabhukwethu umuzi to laba bakaCDB. Something needs to be done, but something like what was amabhottle, 2 pots inside the stove. Put water, we will do the rest. Ubongo uthi hayi bo bathi hey when funa khishwa lezidliso lezidliso inside you that needs to come out. Ukuthi I'm not doing that one. I'm not doing that one, but so do it again. Ngoba this is us saying that wena noMaruna indaba must come to an end. And udlisiwe wena likaSitibeng bakudliswe something very, very strong and dangerous. Thina, we will take it out. Ha, bomalo basho baye ebhodweni. Basho they went to the port and do the thing. BakwaHlophe they're still trying to make amends with uNokuthula. Kodwa uNokuthula une-drama, guys. Oh, uNokuthula unedrama lona. uNokuthula lona angimazi ukuthi where they get her na, because the first time uIshmael met uNokuthula was very calm and respecting of the situation and respecting the fact that Ishmael is the one who went out and searched for her and found her. uNokuthula this time around she's making noise. uNokuthula is like, nginikeni umntanami, I don't want anything other than that. Nginikeni umntanami. Kodwa as a parent, are you willing to ask for forgiveness? Because there's a lot of things that Ishmael went through as Mtana who was living in an orphanage / in the street. Ishmael tried a lot of things to survive. Where was uNokuthula namuhla to demand that I want umntanami and nothing more, nothing less? Where was uNokuthula when Ishmael had nothing to eat? Namhla zovula amafridge and said that le anyanisi lena is between me and what. The Lopez bought groceries for her and they tried to give it to her and she was like, "Nini ngicabanga ukuthi ngiyalamba." Wait, what? You just told the papers that when we are lamba. Now we're trying to give you this, you're saying that you don't lamba. She took those things, but she was like acting like she doesn't want them. Ubonke bamhlaba ngala ma medication. waphuza waphalaza waphuza hey, it was a lot of things. Ngihamba sithi, yeah, you see these things, yeah, these things is coming out, you see this, you wena uhlisiwe gqobogqobo. Konke waphuza waze waphelela amandla. But mithi wathi hayi guys, no, vele mina uMaruna sengiyamzonda nyalo, angisafune lutho uMaruna ngiyamzonda baba omncane. Siyamzonda. I'm thinking he's just saying that just to get himself out of there, because tell me why. Whatever it is that he was drinking, he turned his mouth into green. Uthi angisamfuna uMaruna, vele sengiyamzonda vele, I don't want anything, hate Maruna me.